Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Guadalupe local and long-distance movers near me. The ideal moving company for all your relocations is 3 Movers. In Guadalupe, we provide the most inexpensive and highest quality local and long-distance moving options. Whenever you need us to assist you in moving to your new home, you can count on our efficient, effective, and dependable moving services. There is no reason to worry that your money will be well spent. A good moving company should be dependable, fast, and efficient. That's what we are. We also assist our customers in developing a moving strategy. You don't have to worry about arranging and transferring your items by yourself when you hire us. We have a team of drivers that are experts in coordinating and managing a successful move. We only use the best moving trucks and other equipment to ensure our customers' belongings are safe and timely delivered. Because of our relocation packages, we are the best option for you. It's our job to make relocation as easy as possible for our customers. When we take care of your relocation, you'll be free to concentrate on other necessary and critical aspects of your move. Because of our many years of experience, we always find new ways to implement what we've learned. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Guadalupe moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.